How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's episode, we'll be covering 5.0 Resto's latest offering with their 1990 to 1993 rear seatbelt trim bezel. These seatbelt bezels become loose, scratched, or damaged over time. 5.0 Resto has stepped up and has released this great interior restoration part. These bezels will offer a correct fit and finish just like the factory options. 5.0 Resto has designed these to have both the correct bezel and the retaining ring so that make sure they are properly locked into place once installed. Start off by removing your rear seat from the vehicle. Check out the link in the description below to show you how this is done. Moving over to a clean work surface, flip over your seat bottom to access the bezel retaining ring. Using a small flat-bladed screwdriver, pry the retaining ring away from the bezel until it is fully released. Once you have this one off, you can remove the bezel from the seat bottom. These will be molded in a neutral gray finish. We do recommend painting these to properly match your interior color code. Using some gray scuff pads and a bucket of soapy water, thoroughly clean all of your surfaces and make sure you allow dry time. Next, take a clean rag or a paper towel and clean all the surfaces using denatured alcohol or any standard oil and grease remover. Hang up your parts now and give them 2 to 3 coats of your year's interior color paint. Start off with a light coat first and make sure you keep your nozzle about 6 to 10 inches away. Repeat with a few medium to heavier passes and allow 10 to 20 minutes between each coat. To install these, slide the bezel back through the seat bottom through the top side. Slide the retaining ring into place and slowly work your way around the edges and make sure this fully seats against the bezel. Now you can check over your work and reinstall your seat bottom. Now if you have recently reupholstered your seats, these next steps will be the ones you need to follow. Set the bezels into the open area of the seat foam and center them as best as you can. Take a permanent marker and mark out the area you will cut out. Once this is done, remove the bezel and make small cuts along your marks. Take your time here and make gradually larger cuts until you are happy with the position of the bezel. Once you have this set, you can fully install the retaining ring and fully seat these against the bezel. Alright everyone, this will be a great way to refresh any interior restoration you're working on. Install time should take you roughly about an hour with dry time on the painting. It is some of these small details that will really make your interior shine in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and make sure that you have all your notifications turned on. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.